guys, and welcome once again to the CodeMantled. With me, is 3 devs. Nataka kushindana hapa kutengeneza certain types of software. You want to see the brains of the brains.
Hey guys, my name is Justina and we are all here courtesy of Nick, and I'm excited to be part of this hackathon.
Yeah, so hello guys, I'm Nick. I'm a software engineer.
My name is Michael. I'm a software engineer. I'm excited to see what we can do today.
Just looking forward to learn, hopefully 1 or 2, 3 things, and yeah, let's have fun.
Yeah, so thank you guys for coming to this challenge. We are at Utamaduni, and basically, so the challenge is we're going to be using OpenAI API to build solutions for the hotel. So I'm excited. We're going to have 15 minutes to brainstorm. Story app where you are going to upload a picture and then it will tell a short story about it.
I'm thinking of a waitress chatbot assistant, and basically the front end will be React. I'm yet to figure out the back end.
The idea I had was to basically build a client assistant app, booking tables with restaurant.
So now that everyone has an idea what he'll build, we're going to, the 3 hours will start now.
It's chopping onions. Let's have a see.
Can help people sell their arts, to create stories. Maybe someone wants to buy an art, has the stories behind it. You can just upload the picture of scan.
Take us in simple words, what are you building?
So I'm trying to build an AI agent. So it's basically an AI agent that can help you book, check availability.
It's just a waitress assistant, yeah? That from your phone you can like order food, you can request anything that you need. You don't have to like manually call a waitress. See, even at this place it's so open. Before a waitress spots you.
With us here, we have
Alphonse.
Alphonse.
Yeah.
Alphonse, I'm at Invader Park, Kitchen Courtyard, and we have the privilege to build some things up. So we will take you through. Alphonse.
So basically what I'm doing, it's an art story. Like you see, many people have like art galleries, maybe have an art, but you have to sell it. And maybe to sell it you have to have a good story. So basically this one, you upload an image, or maybe you can take a picture, and then it will tell an African story. Yeah, so maybe you can demonstrate it.
Sure.
Yeah. I took a picture of this giraffe. So I select it. Yeah, so this is the picture.
Yeah.
And then I'll generate a story. So it's using OpenAI GPT-4 mini
Sure.
to generate the story. Determinate. Yeah, so you can see the story. Starting long ago in the heart of Africa, they had lived. But again, I made you can make it to read aloud.
Sure.
Long ago, in the heart of Africa, there lived a graceful giraffe named Juma. With her long neck
Yeah.
reaching
So you
high
can
into
see it
the
has given me a
treetops,
story.
she could
Yes,
see
yes.
And
the
then
world from a
because
vantage point
you have
that no other
lots of
animal
foreigners,
could.
Yeah.
I've integrated many languages. So you can translate it maybe into Spanish. Let's translate it. So it's fetching data from OpenAI.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see. I don't know Spanish, but yeah, this is Spanish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can download the PDF and send it maybe to your potential customer or something. If you want the story. Yeah.
I could say,
So, yeah, so basically that's it up to story generation.
Oh, that's amazing.
Today, yeah, that's it. And then for two, then I confirm, and then the AI assistant tells you reserve the table for two.
I see.
Yeah. Also with the assistant now you can question like menus, what's there.
Yeah.
Say what's in the menu today. Basically, that's it. So it tells you what's in the menu, followed by the pictures. Yeah, of what is available.
Okay.
Then you can order if you want to order, and yeah. So basically, that's it.
Oh, that's a good innovation. See images and sure, no problem on that. It's more of a backend, but it's similar. Yeah, you just which you chat with, ask questions. You feed it data.
Yeah.
From your own data store. Restaurant, the attributes, so talk to it. Messages here, those you can tell it enrollment and say, welcome to Utamaduni. Do you have any art? And I to tell you, we are currently displaying restaurants at Bangkok window, and it will give you even the price. So what I did was I give it some structured data.
For this one is a very nice idea, nice stuff. I'm very sure it is impactful on this ground. Yeah. So if you introduce this one here, it's going to make sense. Yeah. And then you see our aim in this restaurant. For me, I've just worked here for 3 years. And then for the 3 years I've been here, I still have the dreams that this place needs to grow. As much as my boss is really on toes for this place to grow, to go to another extra mile. And then because this place has the potential to grow at the end of the day, most of the time here we just depend on the tourists, but now we're looking forward to come up with the marketing stuff and everything. Now if we have to sort out for the local stuff, and so we don't just need to dwell with the tourists. Yeah, so my aim here going forward, maybe we need to come up with a platform that you're going to source out for local stuff, for local clients, and then we see how we can grow. I'm just humbled for this. Yeah. So you are very much welcome to the Quoted Kitchen. You are much welcome to the Utamaduni, the Artisan African Market.